Friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufactures. I hope all are safe and doing great and all are busy with your works. And as you all watching my costume here, which I'm wearing a pure brocade border with silk, with cotton silk, I can say. In this, you can see the pallu and the border is which only brocade silk border. Today, I'm going to take you to the only matching ready-made brocade blouses which are multi varieties which starts from 85 rupees. Before that, I want to just show you here the bunches of boutique varieties is being purchased and it's getting aligned all the ready-made three-piece concept of the chudidars, all the sizes over here. So this is one of the kaftan pattern which is mostly trending for the brocade, where if you're into brocade chudidar three-piece concept varieties, you can also add into your business. And when you come to visit purchase, here is a chudidar concept and here it is a ready-made concept. So today I'm going to take you to the ready-made blouses. We'll have a detailed concept of the varieties. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, and easily, if you are into a silk varieties, rapier cotton, silk cotton saris, you're into sellers, then you should keep this brocade pattern, the ready-made blouses also. All these collections which starts from 85 rupees and the highest price is 200 to 250. And if I talk about the entire section price is only 400. But as we go to when buying for purchase, when we buy ourselves, we know the prices what it's selling into a brocade, right? So let's have some samples. I'm going to show you here. Camera here you can show the bunches of collections over here. These all varieties which are getting manufactured and coming. So this is what it's keep selling out and it's keep coming the n number of bunches. So this is what. So let's have some samples. So these kind of varieties you can buy for your silk saris, linen cotton bedwal saris, gadwal cotton saris. So cotton comes silk varieties of saris, all these varieties. So first pattern, very pretty of tomato red color with the golden butta of the leaf, covered hooks with the cups which has been given here. All the sizes are there, and apart from this you got the sizes also and the colors. You have this a piping work on the top of it, and the sleeves also the regular sleeves you can see here. And if we talk about the circle pattern which is a brocade, there's a golden piping work on this over, and this is a sky blue color which is a blue pattern. And this also you can see the tassel has been given here, the backside tassel. So knot you can easily find out. If I talk about the only golden brocade pattern, golden border saris, you can see this is a pattern, the short sleeves and the golden, you can see brocade comes silk varieties of glossy which is very shines. If you want some look casual come print come brocade, I have a black with multiple colors of the dotted printed with the golden piping. And this is a piping work where you can see a semi sleeves, a short sleeves you can see here. This is also one of the pattern. All these exclusive varieties you can keep at your business to make your customers happy. This is one of the pattern with a parrot green color with a pista green color combination of the piping work. This is one of the pattern, mini brocade. You can see here the hooks which has been given here. And this is one of the pattern of the grey color with the dark matte golden print come brocade pattern, and the short sleeves you can see here, and very pretty. If I talk about the dotted butta work which is the shape you can see here, this is also one of the pattern. So very short sleeves with the rama green, one of the pattern with the golden butta print come butta work. All these exclusive collections you can purchase. If I talk about one more color which is a bold butta work, heavy golden butta yellow with the black color combination. Some likes heavy black with heavy blue, the dark contrasted colors. These all varieties you can see here, exclusive varieties. Okay, this is one of the pattern. So all the sizes also you can purchase. And if I talk about every bunch you can see here, so I'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see mixture of collections 8. If I see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every bunch you have a brocade patterns of 8 colors. There's no quality issue, no quantity issue. Here you can see the brocade material of the blouse collections, and here you can see the ready-made blouses of the brocade, and here you can see cotton print cum butta blouse material, and here you can see the inskirts of the cotton, terry cotton synthetic body shape vest, and here you can see the falls, the sarees falls, and all the designer heavy. Here is one of the patterns. And if I talk about the running materials, this is also a running materials over here, all these collections. So exclusive varieties for the lining materials also you can purchase over here. These are all the linings for the every dark contrasted colors, even the light colors. So every collections, even for the stretchable, for the ready-made as well as printed butta, golden butta, silver butta, white butta, print cum ready-made stretchable, all sizes are available. Hope you enjoyed these varieties. Quickly you can add into your business COD options, 20 to 30,000 unlimited. You can plan for boutique, you can plan for saree business, you can plan for home-based business, online business, shop or showroom. Many more segments are there. With the Kesaria manufacturers are supporting with the wholesale price, you can expand your business with the best affordable price at factory range with multiple sizes and the multiple varieties. So hope enjoyed this collection. So quickly you can add by COD options, pan India, worldwide shipping, cargo services, sea services is there. Let me know in the comment box from which city you are watching the video and what kind of collections you are looking for. Keep supporting me. There's a bell icon, just click it, share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video will meet with many more business informations with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरी।